Hi, today in this video I'm sharing some living room designs. Very unique designs, very different designs, very amazing designs. Some of them are really nice, almost all are really nice, but some of them I liked most, and I hope you people will also like them. These living room designs I'm sharing just for this sake, even that you guys if want to have some idea for your living room, if you are searching for some ideas to decorate your living room or change the setting of your living room or add something into your living room, so these ideas, these pictures will help you in that, because the pictures which I'm sharing, so whoever have taken the pictures, they have done a great job, and the decoration, like the ideas, these designs, whoever have like decorated these living rooms or to whom they belong, they have done amazing job. Each and every idea is different than other, and each and every is unique in itself and very easy to be adopted, right? We can easily, like, we can have the ideas, one or two ideas from each video, and we can make a collage of the ideas, and we can adapt it very easily. So I'm sharing these with you, and I hope you would like them, and I hope you will try to it will help you to decorate your own living rooms. So that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.